These little hand blowers are flipping amazing. In a million years, I never would have believed that something this size could like actually put out that much air. It's insane. I'll put a link in the... So the plan today is to replace this piece. Now I'm going to salvage this metal backer and the Velcro bit itself. And I'm going to get all of this old nasty foam off of here. And I'm going to print a replacement piece for this foam bit out of a cool product. It's a foaming TPU filament for 3D printing. So you end up with like a light, airy, flexible foam. I'm gonna print it in about 50%. I think that'll get us something kind of like this. And if it's terrible, I'll at least know how far off in either direction that I need to go so that I can replicate sort of a similar amount of squish. Because I'm going to assume that they did a lot more testing than I'm going to do. Well, I'm here replacing it right now, so maybe they didn't do as much testing as I'd like to think. But I'm going to assume that they did more testing about the durometer and shore hardness or whatever of this foam than I'm about to do. So step one is to take some measurements and get this thing printing, because that's going to take a while. TPU has to be printed a little bit slower than other stuff. Then I have to go finish editing yesterday's footage that unfortunately I have to go manually keyframe all of the footage before I can even export it so that I can actually start the editing. So that's my day today. But I need my sander to work for upcoming projects. So this is today's video. Okay. I think that should be everything we need to recreate this part. Huh, this is actually fiberglass. This is just plated with metal to make it look metal.